What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Mooch Life. Today our video is truck related. We got something really cool we're gonna throw in the truck today. I want to show you guys, so check it out right here on Mooch Life. Alright, so first things first, we got to get the truck in the middle of the driveway because we're going to be working on the truck on the outside here. We're due for an oil change, guys. To come soon. Leonard got the transmission pan fixed. Go check out that video if you happen to have the 4-speed Chrysler transmission and you got a leaky transmission pan. You can check that out. But today's video, we're going to show you right now. We got something really cool in this box right here from HAVOC Off-Road. So let's unbox it, see what we're dealing with here. There we go, guys. We bought us the HAVOC Off-Road side steps for the truck. So let's install them right here on Mooch Life. Check them out. The HAVOC HS2 Nerf bar with side step going on the Silverado. If you noticed, this truck did not come with any side steps of any kind, so we're going to throw these on and see how much better it makes the truck look, and we'll see how much more functional it becomes for us, because it's hard getting up into the truck. So let's get to it. Comes with a cool little set of directions here, color pictures, little detailed, and then they also have the link to their YouTube video, but you don't need to watch their YouTube video because you can watch mine. Just kidding. Also, it's pretty awesome. I actually saw these on the Truck Central video that Guitarmageddon ZL1 did, comparing different steps for your truck, and I decided I like these ones, so I purchased the set. So go check out that Truck Central video. I'll link it up there. You can see a comparison. So as you can see here, it comes with all the necessary hardware. I've already pre-assembled a couple here. A couple washers and nuts. These will be for the top parts of the brackets here. We'll go ahead and install the driver's side first. When doing it, some of the holes on the truck, depending on the year and model you have, may have drilled threaded slots already. If they don't, you have to use these clips right here. You'll just slide it in, and then these are actually threaded. So we'll get underneath and show you. Alright, so that's the rear of the truck. We're going to come underneath here. And when you look up close there, you can see, get the camera in there good. You can see right here is a hole, but it is not threaded, so we're going to have to put one of those clips in. So we're going to take this little grommet out. I might have to pry it with a little screwdriver. And then that's the pinch weld, so it'll bolt here and here. But we'll have to get this piece off here first, so let me do that. And just like that, she's out. We're going to take our little clip here, the threading clip, put it right through the grommet, which is right above my head. And it just kind of snaps right in there. So now I have a spot to thread my top screw on the rear bracket. The front bracket should be the same. The middle one may be threaded. If not, we'll just use more of those clips. All the hardware is included that you need. So my middle hole isn't threaded either. So I popped this grommet off with the screwdriver like I just showed you. And now I'm going to show you how to put the little clip in that adds the thread for you. It's just like a little tab. You just slide it through the big hole and then push it into the little hole and you'll feel it click. And there you go. My wife Tootie's gonna help me. She's gonna hand me the bracket. I'm gonna put the middle bolt and nuts through the clip, and then I do the middle one first. It should kind of let it dangle there without falling. So. We're bolted up there and there, one on the panel and one on the pinch weld, and we did the same thing down the line. So we got 6 sets of nuts and bolts, and the steps are hanging there. They're not secured down all the way because we want a little bit of wiggle room so that we can make sure everything is lined up, and then we're going to torque everything down to 17 foot-pounds, it says. So let me finish this up and we'll show you what we're dealing with. Well guys, the install is finished. Check them out. What do you guys think of these HAVOC HS2 side steps, Nerf bars with steps included? I think they make the truck look so much better. It was a bare situation over here on the driver and passenger side of the truck. Let's take a peek at it from the front here. What's cool about these steps is they're Nerf bars, but the steps are offset from the bar, where a lot of Nerf bars, the steps are implemented on top of the Nerf itself, and these ones, the Nerf is actually like kind of tucked underneath, so it gives it a more like sporty or an off-road look, if you will. So that's them. Installation took like about an hour. The passenger side I did second. This is what it's like when you open the truck door and step into it. Sticks out nice from the pillar. Get your whole foot on there and whoop, and there it is. So looks pretty badass. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the install of these HAVOC HS2. If you want to check them out. So thanks to Truck Central and Guitarmageddon ZL1 for showing me these HS2 HAVOCs, and I knew I wanted them as soon as I saw that video. Don't forget, I linked it in the video here at the beginning, so if you want to check out a nice comparison, you can go check out that video there. Otherwise, I'm going to enjoy my side steps from here on out. Thanks for watching. I'm Mooch. This is Mooch Life. Peace out.